Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes back with another one, guys. So AMC in this video, we're gonna share our thoughts and opinions going in on tomorrow. So Cliff, I hope you cover my boy because AMC's coming in hot. You had the opportunity when we came down to the mid 11s the other day, and if you didn't cover then, it's gonna cost you. We know you took out a small position, but like I said, this is not going long. You don't only lose what you put in. You can lose a lot more than you even put on the line or even plan to lose if you don't cover that position quickly and not get too cocky and have a big head like you was having just a couple days ago. If you go into this having that type of mindset and a big head like this thing could get out of hand very quick and you be down a whole lot more than you thought you was wanted to be down, and could possibly go right along with Melvin Capital. Might even end up like Citadel having to sell a percentage of your company, and Citadel even get hit yet. But that's just a little piece of the pie that they definitely didn't want to do. All Citadel money was in house. All it was a family business. Ain't they didn't have to share that pie with anyone else until AMC and retail investors came in and changed that whole narrative. So, anyways, guys, let's go ahead and take a look at AMC going into tomorrow. Share our opinion. We got articles coming out now. Here's why AMC is doing what it's doing, and I scanned over a few. And the reason they're trying to say AMC is up today is because, take a guess, Top Gun is one of the reasons. They say because of the performance of Top Gun, and they also because AMC was added to the Russell 1000. They also say that's a reason. But like I say, guys, it's never one reason in particular. It's, you can't say, I'm not saying they're wrong, because we know we had plenty of, they're not right either. But we had plenty of news and catalysts boiling up for the longest to give AMC some type of traction. Also, with the regular, functionalities of the overall market, also has a major role to do with what AMC is doing right now. Because as we seen, we was manipulated last week, couldn't get nothing out of AMC while the market was doing what it do. Now the market is coming back, and I told you guys AMC had catching up to do. Didn't know how the catching up was going to take place. Didn't know the market was going to shift the way it's now doing. But I'm here for it, because like I told you guys, the market has a huge potential to go right back down after having a little mini bull market. And when it does, if we continue this pattern that we now running, the opposite of the overall market, whatever direction it's going in, then we could possibly experience a nice little bull run, and a lot of people trying to come in and FOMO in to be a hedge against inflation with these meme stocks. So you already know that AMC is going to be at the top of that list. So let's go ahead and take a look at AMC and share our opinion, guys, on how we believe it'll play out going into tomorrow. So we ended at $14.03, up over 13% on the day. What I liked on today was we kept it very tight. As we ran up, we barely gave back any gains. We kept it very, very tight, just running up. And what that exactly means is, as people wasn't selling really, they was buying and they was holding, and then it'll take off to another level, and it wouldn't really pull back much because people was like, nah, I'm gonna hold my shares because I believe this thing can go much, much higher. Not a whole lot of, way more buying pressure than selling pressure. So anyways, guys, we end up hitting a high today of $14.75. I told you guys in the previous videos on the day, once we broke through 1250, this thing could go to the mid 14s with ease. And that's exactly what took place. We went a little above the mid 14s. I was expecting for us to top out at around 1440, 1450. We went to 1475 and topped out. I told you guys, once we hit that 1440, 1450, I was expecting a sell off. We just went a little bit above that. That's the market makers to do that, try and trap in more longs, because they feel as if it blasts through that level, it's about to go much higher right now. So they'll put some large positions on the line. As soon as they does, it go to 1475, stop out, sell off a whole dollar almost, and that'll cost a lot of them to shake out, sell for a loss, and then be trying to look for another entry point. So market makers love to play those mind games like that, guys. So anyways, as we sold off, we see that we came down to $13.93. That's a key level to see where we came down to once we reached the peak of the day and we started to sell off. Reason being is because we want to see us hold up at previous resistance. I told you guys resistance on today was at that we had a breakthrough was 1350. Once we had broke 1250. 1250. Once we broke to 1250, $12.50. And I think, yeah, 1350. It was right, 1350. So once we broke through 1350, I told you guys we want to come. If we came down, we want to hold support at 1350. But you see that we came down to 1393. It was, it was staying tight. Nobody really wanted to sell. So then it bounced back to the 14s, and we ended the day in the 14s. So like we know, guys, tomorrow after a nice day like this, I'm definitely going to, pull back a bit, shake that tree, scare some people out. I could see us having a nice panic drop in the morning, taking out a lot of stop losses, and then we soaring again going into tomorrow. The main key level I'm going to watch for is for us to come down, hold support at $13.50. If $13.50 doesn't hold, guys, we're going to come back down to maybe the low 13s and the high 12s before making that reversal on tomorrow. But I'm pretty sure, I'm likely that 13.50 is going to hold. And once it does, we'll blast right back off to go retest that 1475 area. And once we test 1475, this thing could go straight to around the high $15, $16 range. And once we get to that area, our main key level we want to watch for is $18.70. Once we break that and break 23, this thing could really pick up steam, guys, and fly. So you already know, guys, going into tomorrow, overall, we're looking for another solid day with AMC after a nice panic pullback in the morning. So you already know what to do. Add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. I love y'all. We out, and God bless you. We